In this video, I'll show you how to delete a profile on Peacock. Step 1, open Profile Management. Log into your Peacock account, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Manage Profiles from the drop-down menu. Step 2, select the profile to delete. Click on the profile that you wish to delete. Then you need to confirm that the profile is not the main account profile, because the main account profile cannot be deleted. Then click on the delete profile option. After this, we need to confirm our deletion for step 3. A confirmation message will appear. Review carefully. Click confirm to permanently delete the profile. The profile will no longer appear in your account. And that is how you delete profiles on Peacock. I hope this video helped you. And if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Ciao.